Okay, this is sort of this. Yeah, I call it restored for this. I mean, it's all together. And what have I got to do? Something. Yeah, okay. It goes in its case. I made a case where I keep mentioning that 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch thick aluminum. Nice brass handles. They clean up pretty good. And clean up the gauge. Repaired that. New one in there actually now. So that's all done. And I got it just. I know I have tubes for it. No, I'll get the tubes tomorrow. Good old, not octo based, but those unusual heavy prong type vacuum tubes. Okay, so that's all done. Looks pretty good. Got this on here. It's all nicely fitting nice. And here's the case I built for it. It's quite heavy, actually. I think it's heavier than the original case. Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah. It's got a steel piece in here running. It looks like a tank. Improvements, and that'll fit in there, and just use these screws here. Yeah, it's fun doing that one. That was a simple one to do. Some need restoration, some need fixing, some need not to be fixed at all. They all seem to work okay. I mean, they come in here by the pallet loads. And I repair them if they need repairing. Another arrival here. This is a cool thing. This is a chart recorder. General radio chart recorder. Taking paper, good old paper for it. Oh yeah, so what is the most, somebody asked what's the most vintage? Oh wow. I think it's oh wait a minute, hold on, I think I know. The most vintage, the oldest one I got, where did that go to? Well, this is one of them. That's the one up, what is that again? Oh, the Philadelphia, I mean the Eldridge. It's actually in excellent condition. So that'd be mid-40s. And the oldest... let's see. I think I put it over here. Well, that's from the 20s, that one there. Let's kind of zoom in while talking, I guess. That fella's from the 20s. Not that. That's maybe 30s. Here's a television set. I mean, really, that's so cool. Little tiny screen. That has to be 40s or 30s. What other ones do I have? That's another one in there from the 20s. And the most modern, the question was, most modern. Oh, dear. Most modern. Probably one of these here. That's for computers. Very heavy HP unit. What do we got on there? Let's take a look. Can't quite read it. That is for computer networking system. Getting into, well, it's really well built. Most modern. That's probably it, but I got some. Oh, I know. I mean, nothing really new here. What was it? This is from the Apollo Collins radio. In that case, I need to look here. Somebody wants to know. I think the most modern is this one that takes floppies. It's a very cool oscilloscope. Very sensitive. It's nice to use too. It's pretty modern, I suppose. I don't know. That's pretty modern. That's multi-band, huge signal generating system. Solid state. It's all frequencies. Every one of these little dots is a frequency. 187, 193, 199. It goes all the way up. How far do we go? 163, 151. Is that going down or up? Oh, 35. Oh, so how far does it go? Oh, I can't crawl down the floor and look, huh? Whew. No number. Oh, okay. 733. 744. It covers those bands. This here is something unknown, but this thing is really, unless it works, it puts out a hell of a signal too. Let's see what I got over here. I say this. Another one. It's got every, what's that? RF shielding. So it puts out a hell of a whopping signal of several watts on each channel. And you got external modulation you can adjust here. These are actually little knobs. You turn them like so. For intensity and external modulation. They're quite a unit. Some of the amps up there. That's pretty modern, that one there. Okay, so that's answered. So, well, I got to get going here. I'll make sure everything's locked up, turn the alarms on, and get going for dinner. So, I'll send this to my friend, the eBay friend, who's into the same stuff I am, and is converting his, where he lives, into a submarine as well, like I do. I turn that off. Come on here.